Hello everyone, I am Abhishra, an MCA student from Kannur University. Today I am going to present about Bcnf, which stands for Boy's Code Normal Form, an important concept in database normalization. Before we go into Bcnf, let's quickly recall 2NF and 3NF. In second normal form, there should be no partial dependency. In third normal form, there should be no transitive dependency. But even in 3NF, some problems can still exist. That's where Bcnf comes in. Bcnf should satisfy following condition. First, it should be in third normal form. Second, and for any dependency from A to B, A should be a super key. Let's understand this through a simple example. Consider a table with 3 columns: student ID, subject, and professor. It contains student information along with their subject and the professor who teaches that subject. Now in this table, we observe a functional dependency. Subject determines professor, which means each subject is taught by one specific professor. So we write it as from subject to professor. Here is the problem. The functional dependency subject to professor violate Bcnf because subject is not a super key in this relation. So this relation is not a Bcnf. To fix this, we decompose the table into two new tables, a table with subject and professor, a table with student ID and subject. This way, each table now satisfies the Bcnf rules. The new tables are now in Bcnf. We have successfully removed the redundancy and made the data more consistent and reliable. To summarize, the original table was not in Bcnf due to dependency from subject to professor. After decomposition, we got two proper relations that are in Bcnf. This helps eliminate the data anomalies and improve database design. Here are the few advantages and disadvantages of Bcnf. Advantages are remove redundancy, avoid anomalies, stronger than 3NF and ensure data consistency. Disadvantages are more table joins needed, some FT may be lost, complex to implement, slower query performance. Thank you all for listening. I hope you now have a clear idea about Bcnf and why it's important in databases.